Reason why I'm doing this video, you all asked for the updates on my COVID vaccine that I got 2 weeks ago. I just wanted to know that I'm a chicken nugget. Hi tribe, welcome back. It's a new year. Happy New Year, guys. How have you been? It's been a minute. This is year 2020 that the Lord has made, and we are going to be glad and rejoicing. If you're new to my channel, you want to click the subscribe button right now, okay? Because on my channel, we drop the tea. I'm Gabby of Garbie'Signature. Just want to say thank you to my returning subscribers. You are the plug. I just want to appreciate you guys and thank you for the love and support that you gave me from previous years, especially in 2020 when I upload new videos. You guys just bombard me with your comments. Like a year ago, like last year, last year, yeah, 2020 is over. We're in 2021 and I'm just everything appreciating, grateful, feeling blessed, feeling loved. You know, I just have a lot of grateful emotion flowing through me right now, and you subscribers, watchers, viewers, sharers, commenters are a huge part of the reasons why I'm grateful. So today, I wouldn't necessarily say today is a recap day, but let's just recap and see what the year has been. 2020 started on a beautiful note. I promised to bring more videos then. The pandemic started, okay? And it was like everyone was really thrown. A lot of us have a family member, friend, loved one, cousin, co-worker that was affected by COVID. A lot of people lost their jobs. We went on and on. We had the lockdown. We had, the first wave of COVID subsided and people were like, oh, maybe it's not really serious. Lockdown was lifted. We continued with life. A lot of lives were lost. A lot of people were affected by COVID. I have people that tested positive and I know the reaction that it gave them. Out of everything that happened, I lost a dear loved one, and that was very, very heartbreaking for me. I lost my elder sister on the 23rd of December. She was very dear to me. I didn't keep in touch as much as I wanted, and it's good to own up. It's pretty fine to own up. It's getting me emotional right now. Her birthday was just a few days before she passed away, and I remember, I just had these fond memories of her and her attitudes and behaviors and just the way she talks. It was a very trying moment for me. I sort of moved away from social media. I just took a while. If you are on my WhatsApp or my Instagram, you would notice that the seriousness with which I posted reduced at some point. I was mourning my sister. It was a big blow to my family, but we bless God for life. A lot of people lost their lives and their loved ones during this period. Mine died not because of COVID. It was some other health issues which I'm not comfortable to share now, and the family hasn't given me permission to share now. But I just want you to know that if you've lost a loved one this past year, I know what it feels like. We're in this together. Even if you didn't lose a loved one in COVID, if you lost a loved one previous years, I've lost a lot of loved ones, a lot of dear people to me, and it's like, when is it gonna stop? When is it gonna get better? And it was just a lot for me. It was a very trying time for my family. We aren't over it yet. It's still very fresh in our memory. It's just in the midst of everything, we have to look for reasons to be grateful. I feel blessed to be alive and to share this moment with you. 2020 was a lot. So moving forward, 2021, what are your plans? Do you want to share your ideas and your plans with me? This year, I'm hoping to create more YouTube videos. I give myself massive treats, which I'm going to bring to my channel. I'm not ready to share yet, but when I am, I'm going to bring it to this channel. My tribals over here are my cyber family. I love and appreciate you all. I do not take you for granted. So what are your plans for 2021? A lot of people are tending towards vision boards. This year 2021, we haven't had a lot of New Year resolutions. It's more towards vision boards. So if you're going to be doing a vision board, what are the major things you're going to be posting in a vision board? I, for one, I've realized that I'm a very spontaneous person. So a vision board might necessarily not work for me, but I set goals and I just literally achieve them. So vision board might be good, but I'm not really a fan, but never say never. And to the third reason why I'm doing this video, you all asked for the updates on my COVID vaccine that I got 2 weeks ago. What is it like? is there any reaction? We want to know an update very soon. So this is the update about my COVID vaccine. For the first 2-3 days, I felt an aching, like I felt a lot of pain in my shoulder, and I wouldn't really necessarily say a lot of pain. It's just pain is pretty relative. I would say it's the usual pain that comes with taking a vaccine, but this was pretty uncomfortable for me because for the first night I found it very difficult to sleep. It took a while for me to fall asleep, and when I did, I just had body pains, but it was just for 2 days, and it's not something you can't endure. Right now I am 2 weeks away. I'm 2 weeks post COVID vaccine 1, and I am 2 weeks to getting the COVID vaccine 2. So if you'd like me to film the reaction getting the second COVID vaccine, I'm going to do it. Kindly drop your comments in the comment section. And I just wanted to wish us a happy new year and tell you that this year I hope I bring more fire and fun entertainment to my channel. If you think I should post more than once a week, I'm thinking I should post once or twice a week. Usually I try to keep up with posting once a week. 2020, in 2021 I feel like maybe I should post twice a week. What do you think? Thinking towards Mondays and Thursdays. What days would you like me to post, and how many times do you want me to post in a week? I have an episode series coming to my channel. It's gonna be the beginner series, and anticipate, okay? I don't want you to learn alone. I want you to bring your family, your friends, your uncles, your daddies, your grandmas, your grandmoms, your mom, your sisters, your friends, everyone, your boyfriends, your girlfriends. Bring them to this channel. Tell them to subscribe because the tea is coming to Garbie'Signature's channel. If you're not following me on my social media, you would want to follow me, because when I post here once in a while, I usually post every day on my social media, and you don't want to miss that. That being said, turn your notification bell on and drop the like buttons right now. If you like videos like this, or you want me to talk more about my personal life, drop your comments. I need to hear from you. If not, I wouldn't really know what you want. Get in here, get in here, get in here. Do you want me to show you how I achieved this look today? I always give you the tea, so I got you, okay? I actually filmed this look. I don't leave my tribe without the tea. That being said, have a great, awesome 2021. I hope you achieve your dreams and live life to the fullest. Enjoy and happiness. Reconnect with old friends and loved ones. And remember, life is precious. Take every moment like it's the last. And I think we've come to the end of this video. It's just pretty much welcoming you into 2021 and appreciating your love and support that you've given me so far. If you have any requests, kindly drop it in my comment section. I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you in this video. Drop it on this video's comment section. And don't forget to give me the likes, share the video to your friends and loved ones. We're going to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty soon, and I want you to be there.